In a small town at the edge of the forest, there lived an old clockmaker named Emil. His workshop was filled with ticking clocks, cuckoos, and golden pocket watches. But when the sun went down, Emil worked on something secret. Inside a velvet box, he built tiny birds from gears and starlight. These weren't ordinary birds, they were dream birds. When night came, Emil opened his window, and the little birds flew out, their wings glowing faintly like moonlit glass. Each bird carried a dream. One flew to a child who longed for adventure, bringing a dream of sailing across the sky. Another glided to a girl with worries, carrying a dream of fields filled with laughter. The town below grew quiet as the dream birds fluttered from house to house, tucking children into peaceful slumber. But Emil kept one bird for himself. He wounded it gently, and as it rested on his pillow, it gave him a dream of his younger days, of running in the fields, laughing in the rain, and watching stars with his family. When morning came, the birds returned to his velvet box, their gears twinkling softly. Emil smiled, whispering, "Thank you, little ones. Tonight, we'll dream again." And from that night on, if you ever hear a faint ticking mixed with birdsong, it might be Emil's dream birds, carrying dreams across the night sky.